Hi students, the 20th numerical problem. An unpolarized beam of intensity 2a square passes through a thin Polaroid. Assuming zero absorption in the Polaroid, the intensity of the emergent plane polarized light has to be determined. This is the easiest possible question in polarization of light, and it is very direct. You see here students, I have drawn a Polaroid. It polarizes the unpolarized light. So the light, unpolarized light of intensity I initial, okay. When it passes through the Polaroid, we get polarized light. So what type of light we are getting is plane polarized light. Okay, what will be its intensity is IT, T for transmitted light. It is very direct. I transmitted is equal to I initial by 2. Only 50% of the intensity will be transmitted. So what is the initial intensity is given as 2a square. Okay. So initial intensity is 2a square. So 2a square divided by 2. Therefore I transmitted is equal to what? A square. Very simply we have solved this problem. So what is the option here is a B. So option B is the right answer. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.